Days passing by, nothing was going his way. No business, no modeling, financially hit. He started going into depression. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who is a living example of the statement hard work pays off. Yes, he is no other than Rubaru Mr India West Nehal Patil. Nehal was born in Bicholim to respected police officers. He did his graduation from the Post College and he is also a diploma holder in event management. He is a fitness freak from 12th standard and going to gym is like oxygen for him. Soon he joined an event management company and was also managing big festivals like Serendipity Art Festival, IFI and so on. Sleeping late night after events, getting up early for event preparation, no proper sleep, no proper food. Nehal realized this is not he was born for. He quitted event management company and participated in Mr Goa 2019. Unfortunately, he didn't get the title Mr Goa, but he won subtitle Mr Photogenic 2019. If he had won the title Mr Goa, he would have got direct entry for Rubaru Mr India. When he tried on his own to enter, he didn't clear the interview rounds for Mr India. Due to the title Mr Photogenic 2019, he started getting ad films, YouTube videos, Punjabi music videos and so on. All was going well until the COVID-19 pandemic. No shoots, no ads. Looking at the situation, Nehal decided to start his first business, that is a small cafe. Days passing by, nothing was going his way. No business, no modeling, financially hit. He started going into depression. That time he saw Rubaru Mr India auditions are out and decided to participate. He cracked all the 5 interview rounds, being one of the 36 out of 1000 applications. But the biggest hurdle was he had just 3 months to prepare his body, communication skills, skin, personality development and so on. He took help of his friend Mr Goa runner-up Randall Ferros and started his training. His diet included 1 kg chicken, salad, 10 boiled eggs daily. No rice, no junk. Nehal is a foodie and a child lover, but he had to quit that also. After a month, he was not getting the expected results, so he had to increase his diet to 1.5 kg chicken. Less travelling out as he needed to take care of his skin, taking grooming and communication sessions. Finally, after all his hard work, he bagged the title Rubaru Mr India West 2022. Here is a small clip of Nehal. Nehal is also an entrepreneur, boxer and MMA fighter. Nehal gives his parents the credit for all his success and happy to make them proud. Now his focus is on international competitions and building up acting career. Nehal's message is clear. Just focus on your goals, avoid all distractions and you will achieve it. So this was the story of Nehal Patil. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your close ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. मोठ्या कोष्टाच्या वावराक सदांच फायदो जाता. बेकार उलोवप्याक सदांच उणें जाता. देव बरें करूं.